Good morning, friends. I welcome you to our YouTube channel, the Miri Rider. Today I am doing the voiceover for a change, and today the weather here in Guwahati is quite pleasant, unlike the other days. So we decided to go to Gandhi Mandap. Gandhi Mandap is situated in the Sarania Hills. Sarania Hills is a small hill near Ulubari. The ride from Lokra, and I guess it will take around half an hour to reach Gandhi Mandap. I've never been to Gandhi Mandap, so let's see how the place turns out to be. And see you all in Gandhi Mandap. Gandhi Mandap, we can get a view of the thickly populated Guwahati city. Unlike the main city, it's a bit peaceful here, and even it's not that hot here. And as you can see, there are a lot of trees, so a little bit wind is blowing here. So sometimes if you want to have a very cool breeze, or if you want to have a good time, you can come here and refresh yourself. And it is within the city, so it won't take much time. National flag. So we'll get to know more about this flag from here. It is actually the tallest national flag in India. So height of the national flag mast is about 97.4 meters, and that's quite high. And I think you can see it for yourself here. Since it's afternoon now, it's a little bit hot here, but still comparatively to the main city, it's quite bearable. The statue of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and we can see this building here. I have no idea what's inside the building because I think it's closed and we aren't allowed inside. But I guess it will be related to Mahatma Gandhi. From the other side of Gandhi Mandap, we can get another view of the city, and we can see a very small island, that is a Peacock Island. Umananda Mandir is situated on that island, and we can see the Brahmaputra river. And on the bank of the Brahmaputra river, we can see the thickly populated city. It's very, very windy and it's very pleasant here. So if you already know about this place, it's well and good. So if you had no idea about this place, I think you can come here and just refresh yourself. Now we are about to head out from here after enjoying the beautiful view of the Guwahati city and the cool soothing breeze. We had some more time with us, so we just thought of visiting Balaji Temple. So this was it for today's vlog. Thank you and have a nice day.